In this video, we are going to see some of the updates to the Cloud PC templates AI chat section. So you can see while hovering on over large messages like this one, the scrolling becomes very difficult in cases of responses as big as this one. So those cases, you will see a collapse button here. So clicking on this, it will collapse the section so that scrolling becomes easier. And also, whenever there is a response containing HTML, it will have a play button. On clicking of it, sometimes the rendering has some issues, but on clicking of it, it will show that rendered HTML. And let's say I click on this one, it even runs the JavaScript, whatever was there in that page. So let's see this live. So first of all, I will ask some generic query. What's the weather today? So it gave me some short response. So there is no maximize or the play button in this kind of responses. But if I ask uh, create financial report on NVIDIA. So there is some typo in that one. So this is a longer message. So you can see now this collapse button is coming as well as the copy button. The play button is not there. Let this finish. We'll ask one more. Display this info about NVIDIA in HTML. So I'm sending the entire chat to give it a context. That's why I checked this checkbox. Otherwise, it will just get the current message and that will not have any context. So it is creating the HTML. While creating, you will not see the play button. Only once the closing HTML tag is present, it will show that. So let's wait till it completes. Okay, it completed. Now you can see there is a play button. If I click, this is the page that is coming. That is the render of that HTML that we just saw. Other things are as it is. Some of the icon changes are also there. Like at the top, instead of let's minimize these. See, the scrolling will become easier if we even minimizing, and these are moving, so you don't have to go to the top to find this icon. It moves with the mouse movement. So going to the top is much easier now. And this is these had earlier text. Now these are just icon. So save, clear, and there is this usage also. So whenever you use different models, all the completions API where there is an AI interface running on, inference is running on, those payload size will get stored in your local storage, and that will be um, created against each of the API that you're using. So right now, in this case, I'm only using the Ulama local API. That's why it is showing for this only. And the data that was sent till now is 10 KB. If you use more other modes of login like the Hugging Face one, then even those will show. Even Hugging Face one using API key and local API will show separately. Similarly, if I'm testing against some Olama local model, that will come separately than this one. So yeah, that was the demo for this. You can see the light mode as well. If I go to AI chat again, this was Olama local API mode. This is how it looks in the light mode. This was text response, so there is no play button, but this was HTML. It has the play button.